Hey, yo, this box is heavy, you know, and it's a sample. Aye, too heavy. Yo people, what's good? It's your boy No Limit. Thank God for the day, hope you're all blessed. Welcome back to another video, man. I feel like it's been a while since I've shown my face, so you guys can see that, you know, the boy's looking sweet. You know what I'm saying? Anyway people, let's get straight into this one. So I'm back with an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing on the channel, but I'm back with an unboxing. You can see this big boy. Hey, this is heavy, you know. I ain't even capping. Like, fam, one hand, hey, I'm a strong guy as well. One hand, man's kind of struggling, but I'm working, man's working the deltoid though. Anyway, so this was sent by my friend. Shout out to my friend, by the way, sending me free samples, you're a G. So yeah, sent by my friend from a company called Amway, and they just do different products. So they have a skincare line, they have a nutritional line, which most of the products in here, I believe, are from the nutritional line, and they have a home sense type of line, so things that you can get for your homes and whatnot. So yeah, she sent me the samples just to see if I liked any of them, and if I do, I can order them through her. But also I thought, let me do an unboxing for you guys, so if any of you are interested in, you know, buying the products or whatever, then you guys can also order through her as well. So let me know down in the comments after the video if, you know, you're interested, and I'll plug you. You get me? So yeah, unboxing time. Let's see what we've got. I want to put it, this thing's heavy, man. I was gonna put it on the floor, but then if I put it on the floor, you guys are gonna see in between my legs. I don't think that's appropriate. You know what I mean? Bam. Okay. Alright, so we've got this right here. Hope you guys can see that. Bam. So this here is hydrolyzed whey protein powder, cocoa chocolate. Okay, obviously I've never had protein powder before, but you can try it. So bam, got that there. Hey, this is packaged really good, you know. It's got all this stuff. Okay, so I think this is a list just of all the products that are in the box. So we've got the whey protein powder. Okay, what else we got? Hey guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I love being sent things, man. I just love it. So this is the power drink, pink grapefruit flavor. This is by XS. Okay. And then, hey, we got another one. Oof. You know what guys, I think it's the drinks that were making the box so heavy. What flavor is this? So this is orange kumquats. Orange kumquats. Yeah, I don't even think I need this. We've got another one, guys. This is I think this is the last one. I mean, it is the last one. This is wild berry. Again, it's a 12 pack by XS. So we've got pink grapefruit, orange, and wild berry. I feel like I might like the pink grapefruit one the most. Leave it out the wild berry. Then we have omega-3 complex, guys. You need your supplements. Go get your supplement. Go get your supplement. Anyway, omega-3 complex. You need that, that's important. This right here, double X food supplement with 12 vitamins, 10 minerals, and plant-based ingredients. You know, the world is going plant-based right now. You know, everything, they're trying to make everything green. Even the cars, they're trying to make them green. You get me? So it makes sense. Hop on the wave. Magnesium sticks, electric lemon flavor, reduces fatigue, electrolyte balance. You know what I'm trying to say? Some of you, when you go to the gym, your legs are spazzing out or you can't walk after a session. If you had the magnesium sticks, you'd be blessed. Hey, I feel like I'm promoting. So really, if I promote, Amway should, you know, they should give me a deal. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, Amway, if you're watching, man wants to sponsor, because what the heck? Man's promoting you right now. Magnesium sticks, go get them from your local Amway store. Alright guys, vitamin B plus dual action. Some of you are low on your vitamin B. Most of you probably didn't even know that you had vitamin B or that you need vitamin B. You need vitamin B. So, if you don't know where to get vitamin B, you get it from Amway. Stop playing. Vitamin B. Vitamin C plus. See, guys, you need your vitamin C plus. Most of you just have normal vitamin C. This is vitamin C plus. You want to have a strong immune system. A lot of you be walking around with weak immune systems. That's why, you know, a lot of you be catching viruses and other stuff. But if you had a strong immune system full of vitamin C plus, you'd be nice, fam. You get me? You'd be nice. So go get vitamin C plus. So now we've got some vitamin D. Vitamin D, guys. So we've got vitamin B, bam. Vitamin C, bam. And vitamin D. Alphabeting A, B, C, D. Get me? Guys, you need your vitamin D rather than relying on the sun, because we live in the UK. Well, I live in the UK, and I think most people that are watching this live in the UK. And the UK sun is very temperamental. So come get your vitamin D so that your skin is popping. Get me? And to protect you from free radicals. See? And last but not least, we have, we got some body lotion by G&H, Nourish Plus. So you see how everything is plush? See, the body lotion that you're using is just normal Nourish. This is Nourish Plus. It gives you an extra. You get, so Nourish Plus, come get it. I don't even know if it's good yet, so I actually hold them. But yeah, Nourish Plus, man. So also, guys, just to know, a lot of the supplements were from Nutrilite. So the vitamin D, the vitamin B, and C were all from Nutrilite. The omega-3 was from Nutrilite as well, and the food supplement was from Nutrilite. The protein powder was from XS, along with all the drinks. Also, the magnesium sticks were from XS as well. And as I said, the body lotion was from G&H. So we've got a few different companies there. Let me just see how the inside looks like. So this is the double X food supplement. It's like everything is double or plus. Oh, that looks nice. I like it. I like it. I think packaging is important, people. Okay, so you just slide it back and forth. That way to lock, that way to unlock. And then, yeah. Wow, that feels thick. Okay, so it's a different kind of food. There's 3 different kind of food supplements. So one is multivitamin, which is the gold one. The silver one is a multi-mineral, yeah? And the third one is, hold on, 1 second. A phytonutrient, yeah. So you got hey guys, I'm acting like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so you got multivitamin, multi-nutrient, and a phyto, yeah. That's cool, and I like the case as well. But there's no instructions though. You really need instructions? I don't know. I guess because I've never taken food supplements, so yeah. But I don't know if you're supposed to mix that with water or if you're supposed to mix it with like your other food. I don't know. But anyway, that's really cool. I actually like this. Hopefully it tastes alright, and if it does, I'll probably get more. Because also there's 12 vitamins altogether. I think I said that earlier, but just in case I didn't, there's 12 vitamins and there's 10 minerals. I did say it earlier because it's all plant-based, it's all green. Yeah, this is just normal. Let's see how this smells like. Oh, you know what, let's open this up. That smells alright, you know. It reminds me of, what do you call it now? Cocoa butter. As you know, that baked brand that everyone always used to get back in the day. It reminds me of that one. I think I have some in the car. But yeah, it reminds me of that one. But yeah, smells alright still. I won't lie. In terms of the lotion though, see, because I have eczema, so I've got to be careful with the products that I put on my skin. And yeah, it smells alright. It smells like Nivea, but better. So you know that Nivea smell? It's like that. So imagine that, but a little bit more richer, you know, a little bit more like, get me? It smells like that. Yeah, this is alright. but I don't know if I'll use this because, like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I'm gonna have to give it to my sister. But it says Nourish Plus, so maybe I might try it on my hands, and if I'm good, continue using it because it seems to be extra nourishing. Yeah, don't know about this one, but it smells nice though. Open the magnesium sticks. Guys, you know what? I'm actually gonna try out these supplements and stuff because why not? And I feel like, okay, so I'm guessing that you just put this in like your drink or whatever. Alright, so it says here, rebound faster, water not required. XS magnesium sticks deliver 250 mg of magnesium. So I guess what, you can just drink it like, or just take it like that? I don't know, I think you have to be a little bit crazy just to take it like that. I feel like I'll still mix it with like some juice or, you know, a little side, you get me? But magnesium sticks, 12 pack, I believe. No, sorry, 30 stick pack. So yeah, that's cool. The XS, you know what? Let's try one now for the camera, so you lot know that I actually tried one. Let's try the pink grapefruit flavor. So you know, I don't want you lot to be thinking that I'm just saying this because my friend sent it to me, and then I'm not trying nothing. Power drink. 250 ml. All right, let's go. I'm scared, man. God, please. Okay. Smells alright. You know what? That's actually not bad. Obviously, because it hasn't been in the fridge, it's a little bit warm. But with some ice, I feel like it could be alright, you know? I think I like that. I actually like this, you know? I'm not gonna cap. But I'm not gonna lie, after having the pink grapefruit one, I already know how the orange one's gonna taste like. And I don't think I'm gonna like it, so my sister can hold them if she likes it. But yeah, I'm gonna link their website, Amway, in the description. And you guys can check out all the products they have. Like I said, this is just mainly the nutritional line. And I think they probably even have more products on that line than this. Guys, I think that's it, man. I think that is it still. I can't lie, I was enjoying this video as well. But yeah, guys, that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Also, guys, don't forget, I am giving away a free laptop at 1K subscribers. However, if you'd rather win something else, let me know. Get in the comments. Obviously, don't say anything crazy like a car or a house because your boy is not rich. But obviously, as we build the channel and get closer to 1 million subscribers, etc., I might be able to do that one day. You get me? But yeah, let me know if you'd rather win, I don't know, a few £100 or a PS5, you know, those kind of things. And then we'll see what we can do. We might even do 2 giveaways. So one at 500 subscribers, and then obviously another one at 1K. Obviously, I'll still give away the laptop if I do another giveaway. But I guess just to maybe add a little bit more of an incentive in it. But let me know down in the comments what you think. Also, let me know down in the comments what you think about these products. Is it something that you'd be interested in? All that kind of stuff. But yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that right there. Tell your boys. Go on. Confetti showers, people. Hold on, don't go yet, don't go yet. Ready? Alright, fam, the things I do for YouTube, you know, it's crazy.